Back when I was a child, my mother used to soak some almonds at night and used to feed them in the morning to me. And now, what do you think I am doing? Now I am on a seafood diet. So by seafood diet, I mean I just see food and then I have it. I just don't do any diet at all. But what I feel is that there are certain brain foods which are very important for us, which we should consume because they help us increasing the memory and concentration power. Want to know about those brain foods? Then stay in this video till the very end. So let's start with the brain food number 1. So it's your dry nuts or dry fruits. Why are they very important, just like walnuts or almonds? Because they contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are very essential for improving our concentration. The next very important second brain food is what? It's Ayurvedic Brahmi. So Brahmi increases your spatial and learning power. You can get Brahmi in the form of capsules, in the form of syrups, right? Brahmi is basically very important for your memory. What about the brain food number 3? The typical, very peculiar brain food number 3 is dark chocolate. Yes, not the milk chocolate, rather dark chocolate. It contains your cocoa, which is actually very essential in constituents of flavonoids. So flavonoid is basically something which contains antioxidants which are very essential for our body. You can consume a bit of dark chocolate and be satisfied for the rest of the day and do your syllabus on time. Yes, the brain foods number 4. On the 4th number, we have soy products or soya products like your soya bean or soya chap. Yes, the street food. So basically, it contains polyphenols which reduce the risk of dementia. So dementia is something which nowadays we found people suffering from. We don't want to suffer from it, right? So we should be consuming soy products like soya milk, soya paneer called as tofu, etc. 5th on the list is your green leafy vegetables, which probably all our mothers have been behind for. Yes, spinach, your fenugreek, which is called as methi. All these contains multiple vitamins and also they contains certain trace elements which our body otherwise cannot get from other food sources. That's how we should consume them, no matter the taste, but health is also important, right? So basically, good food is good mood, right? So why not have these all brain foods in our diet so as to get good health? So let's see, today's shout out goes to Shankar Velia and Joshua J. If you want to have shout outs, you should also keep commenting on our videos. By the way, what is your favorite food? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.